Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ServiceNow email notifications for incidents, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure email notifications for incidents in ServiceNow, begin by logging into your ServiceNow instance. Once logged in, navigate to the System Notification application in the Application Navigator. Click on Email to expand the section and then select Notifications. On the Notifications page, click the New button to create a new notification. In the notification form, enter a descriptive name for your notification in the name field. Set the table field to incident to ensure this notification is associated with incident records. Next, locate the When to Send tab. In this section, choose the conditions under which you would like to send the email. For example, you might select Insert to send an email when a new incident is created. You may also add other conditions such as Update for when incidents are modified. Scroll down to the Who Will Receive section. Here, you can specify recipients by selecting User to notify specific users or groups. You can also opt for Email to send notifications to email addresses directly. Once you've selected your recipients, navigate to the What Will Be Sent tab. In this tab, you can craft the email subject line. Use variables to personalize the subject, such as including the incident number. Next, compose the email body. You can also use variables to include key incident details, like the short description or priority. If desired, incorporate links or buttons for quick access to the incident record. After completing the email content, review your settings carefully. Ensure that all conditions and recipients are correctly configured. When satisfied, click the Submit button to save your notification. Finally, test your new notification by creating or updating an incident. Check if the email is received as expected to confirm the configuration is correct. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.